If you've ever geared up for a run, a bike ride, or even a long walk, only to see that dreaded low battery warning flash on your screen, you are definitely in the right place. That built-in GPS is an amazing feature for outdoor tracking, but wow, can it drain your battery? Hey everyone, it's Anna from For Real. Tired of your Fitbit battery dying on you right in the middle of a workout? This video shows you exactly how to turn off the GPS on your Fitbit Charge 6, a simple trick that can seriously boost your battery life. Let's fix that right now. A single 1-hour run using GPS can sometimes eat up 15 to 20% of your battery. Do that a few times and you're charging your device constantly. It's frustrating, but there's a very easy way to take control. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to turn GPS off for specific exercises. It's important to know you can't turn it off globally, but you can customize it for each workout type, which is actually even better. This gives you total control to save power when you don't need GPS, like for an indoor workout, and keep it on when you do. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be a master of your Fitbit settings. Let's get started. Okay, step 1, we need to get to the exercise menu. Go ahead and wake up your Fitbit by tapping the screen or raising your wrist. You should see your main clock face. Now from here, place your finger on the right side of the screen and gently swipe to the left. You'll swipe past your notifications and the very next screen you land on should be exercise. You'll see an icon and the word exercise at the top. Easy, right? All right, for step 2, we need to find the exact workout we want to change. Your Fitbit shows you your most recent exercises first. To see the full list, you'll need to swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Keep swiping up past options like run, walk, and hike until you see a big orange button that says more. Tap on that more button. This opens up the entire library of exercises. Now you can swipe up through this list to find the one you want. For this example, let's find bike. Once you see it, just tap on it to select it. Quick pause for a fun fact. Ever wonder where that famous 10,000 steps a day goal came from? It actually started as a marketing slogan in Japan back in the 1960s for one of the first pedometers. It wasn't a medical recommendation at first, but it was so catchy that it stuck around and became the global standard we know today. And hey, if you're finding this tutorial helpful so far, do me a huge favor and tap that like button. It takes 1 second and really helps the channel reach more people just like you. Okay, back to it. Perfect. Now that you've selected your exercise, you'll see a big start button. Don't press that yet. This is the most important part. From this start screen, swipe up from the bottom one more time. This will reveal the hidden settings menu for this specific exercise. And there it is. You'll see GPS with a little toggle switch next to it. By default, it will be on and probably colored orange or your theme color. Simply tap that toggle. You'll see it switch to the off position and turn gray. That's it. You've successfully disabled the GPS just for the bike exercise. It will stay off for all future bike workouts until you decide to turn it back on. Now for a quick pro tip to help you maximize your Fitbit Charge 6 battery life. The best time to turn off GPS is for any indoor workout. Think treadmill running, spinning, ellipticals, or weightlifting. Your Fitbit is smart. It will still track your heart rate, steps, and calorie burn perfectly without needing to search for a satellite signal indoors, which saves a massive amount of battery. Go through this process for all your favorite indoor exercises. Just repeat those same steps for treadmill, spinning, and so on. This is the key to conserve Fitbit battery power like a pro. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you now know exactly how to customize your exercise settings and turn off GPS on your Fitbit Charge 6. No more worrying about your battery dying unexpectedly. You're now in full control of your device's power, so you can focus on what really matters, your workout. To recap, just swipe to exercise, find your specific workout, swipe up to see its settings, and tap the GPS toggle. Simple. If you found this tutorial useful and want more easy-to-follow tips for your Fitbit and other fitness tech, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video from For Real. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you today. And I have a question for you. What other Fitbit feature do you find confusing? Let me know in the comments below, and I might make it the topic of our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.